Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to enable Active Directory Recycle Bin. Active Directory Recycle Bin allows you to restore deleted Active Directory objects. You can recover the objects in their primary state when they were in before deletion. For example, restore user account automatically regain all group membership and corresponding access rights that they had before deletion within and across the domain. If user was able to access 10 application and 20 shared path, it will be able to access them after account is restored. No need to do anything for accessing the old resources. Or user will be member of all the groups that he was member of before the deletion. If account was enabled, account will be enabled. If account was disabled, then definitely account will be in the disabled state. So as I said earlier, they were in the same position, same condition as they were before the deletion. So Active Directory recycling is not enabled by default. The process of enabling Active Directory recycling is not reversible, meaning once you enable the Active Directory recycle bin, you cannot disable it. Active Directory disable bin Active Directory recycle bin was introduced by Microsoft in Windows Server 2008 R2. So there are some prerequisites for enabling Active Directory Recycle Bin. Before you can enable Active Directory Recycle Bin, you need to complete some prerequisites. First, forest and domain function level must be Windows Server 2008 R2 or higher. You must be a member of a domain admin group in the domain you want to enable Active Directory Recycle Bin. You must have either Remote Server Administrator tool installed or Active Directory installed or Active Directory module for Windows PowerShell is installed. So as I said, we can enable it through Active Directory users computer RSET tool, or we can use this or enable this by using PowerShell. So before Active Directory Recycle Bin, we used to use ldp.exe to restore the deleted objects. You can also use ldp.exe London Delta Parrot.exe after enabling Active Directory Recycle Bin. So it is not mandatory that you are only going to use Active Directory Recycle Bin. You can also use ldp.exe if you want to, but Active Directory Recycle Bin is more easier comparison to ldp.exe. Please note that deleted objects do not remain in Active Directory database for forever. How long will they stay? It depends on tombstone lifetime of your forest. Every operating system have different tombstone lifetime. Windows Server 2003 was having 30 days tombstone lifetime. So tombstone lifetime decide how long your deleted object will remain in the Active Directory. Before we proceed for enabling Active Directory Recycle Bin, I want to tell you one more important things. When an object is deleted, it is not deleted from Active Directory database immediately. Instead, object is marked for deletion at later date. This information is passed to other domain controller in the domain. After that, garbage collection process finds out the object who have completed tombstone lifetime and it removes that object from the Active Directory database. This process runs on every domain controller at interval of 12 hours. Let's move to my domain controller. So this is my domain controller. Okay, so if you run get hyphen ad forest, you can see mm, mm, forest mode here. So it is completing my first requirement, that the forest function level must be. And we can also run one more command, get hyphen ad domain, to check the domain function level. DOMAIN. Okay, so it is not required that you will uh, write in caps. Normal is also required. Get hyphen ad domain. Okay, get, okay. Here you can see, where we can see that domain function level, domain mode. Here you can see. So my forest function level is 2012 R2 and my domain function level is also 2012 R2. And we can see we have Active Directory installed here, so RSET tool is not required. If we are performing this activity from any member server, then we can really install RSET tool. I have also created one more video how to install RSET tool. You can take a look of that as well if you are new about RSET. Mm, 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 mm. Let me close that first. So first you can run this command to see what your whether your Active Directory recycle bin is able or not. We can type ISC. I'm more comfortable in ISC. Okay. So if you see nothing here, it means enable Active Directory scope. Okay. If you see nothing here, it means Active Directory recycle bin is not enabled. Okay. If you see the distinguished name, then definitely that is enabled. I will show you that as well. So here I just need to change my domain name, karnav.lan. Okay. So you can run this command as well if you want to, or you can just go here, Active Directory Administration Center, select your local domain, and here you can see enable recycle bin. You just click OK, then it will be enabled. I will use PowerShell. Okay. No, I need to copy that. Yes to all. Okay, so now you can see in the earlier picture, enable scope was empty, but now you can see distinguished name, and you can also see here. Let's close and open this again. We'll come here. Now as you can see, okay, it is grayed out. So if you want to restore anything, you can go here. I have not delete anything. We will delete something. Suppose I delete one user, Prem. Okay, just see if I have any computer in 10A. Okay, delete that as well. Now we'll go to recycle bin. You can't see anything here. I think we need to open this again. Go here. at admin center. Okay, restore and restore. See, once you refresh, you will get it here. So it was removed from this location. So once you restored it, it came back to its previous location. And Prem is also here. Let me just do one thing. I will create one group, HR. Okay, I will add Ravi in this group. Hmm. Oh, yeah, okay. No problem. We'll add like this. Member. So now you can see Ravi is a member of two groups. This is a by default group. Every user is added in this group, domain users, and I have added this user in this group now. And suppose I disable this. Yeah, now I want to delete, and I will go to recycle bin again. It's easy to restore. Okay. So how you're reaching here? Opening. Let me show you again. Go to tools. Go to aggregation center. Select your domain. Karnav.land. Here you will see deleted object, and then open it and just restore. Okay. It is in a disabled state because I disabled it, and it is member of those two groups that he was earlier. So that's all for this video. If you learned something new, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.